So, Bhavya, tell me your experience with us, PT tutorials, and how did you come to know about us?
I had just Googled it, frankly speaking, but I have gone to the reviews and all in the about PT tutorials. So I just got the very good feedback and all, and had just came to know after your teaching methods and all, I have achieved my score, desired score very easily. Before that, I attempted on my own. I prepared myself, but I didn't couldn't achieve. After taking your tips and all, it was very useful for me. And the way that you taught the grammar and all, it was very useful, especially in reading part. And even for the listening part, it was very useful. And when it comes to the writing, it was helpful in the grammar to avoid these grammatical mistakes and all. And you told about this proofreading part and all, which was a very useful technique. So by using all these techniques, it was very easy for me to crack this, and I got my desired score.
Before attempting this test, you have taken the test and you couldn't achieve the score on your self practice. Okay,
I
so this
prepared
is
myself on my own, but I didn't understand where I am lagging and all. And with your help, I understand where I am lagging and what are the skills that I need to improve and all. So it helped me very much to improve my scores, especially reading and listening part. I know that I'm very weak in reading part before that because it was not easy to understand and all. So the methods you teach, it was helpful for me. In the SST, I couldn't hear the audio properly. I thought this time also maybe I can't achieve and all, but I was able to manage the way you told me the tricks to just crack this and all. So I just applied the same thing and I got my result.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. You made my day, and it keeps all the tutors going with such kind words from the students. And we are part of your success journey. So I wish you all the best. Wish you Godspeed that you do the best, achieve all your dreams in your future endeavors. Thank you so much, Bhavya, for giving time today.